Hi everyone! This is Layan and welcome back to my channel. We have another video here today. Okay, from the Nike outlet, and I want to show you guys what I bought there yesterday. So, yato ko sa Nike outlet. Yato ko bangko kagahapon. Yato ko bangko kagahapon. Tapos, yato niya yung Nike outlet. Kaya naa sila sale kagahapon. So, yato mi na marmoni yung kapalit. Okay. So, the first one I want to show is this one here. This is the first shoes that I will show you guys. This is Nike SB. This is Nike and the shoes name and stripe are trademark. Shoes name. So mauna siya. So guys, here it is. This is size. So this is size 6. Size 6. Okay, so this is it. It's so nice. Very nice. This is very nice. This is size 38.5 and I hope this one could fit. Yes, this is 38.5 euros price. So guys, brace yourself because there's more of like this. I think na-unbox na ako ni siya sa unang mga panahon na same shoes na siya. Karon magud gi-sale ni siya nga shoes. Grabe gyud kababa ang ano na price ani. Original price of this was let me see. 2,000 nag half price sila ano na lang 1,000 na lang 1,000. Nice. Okay. So this one's very nice. Nike and smiley. Smiley siya. Ano siya guys? Diba? Smiley na siya yung check sa likod. So makita niyo siya nga good quality and ano siya? First box. Ang sulod na itong box ay open is kani ito ay suludan ta. So the first is this one here. Wali siya ang slider yun ay nakapunta. Just do it na slider. Very nice. This one ano siya slider one, and we have another slider, the same. Okay, the same lang siya actually. Okay. So we have two sliders, just do it, and the same size also. So ito na siya gagawin ha. So next is this. Napay Dunkin Donuts. Okay. So that's for my alaga. My student. So the next one is these shoes. This one here. Sorry na ha. Okay. Sa kanimang good, ako na i-explain nga nung ginani ni Kani. Ang box niya ginani na kay ikuan siya top. Ilang inisig. Kaya ano mo na ilahan i-display. So mo na ilahan i-sale nga barato na lang kayo kay ang original price ani was 3,100. Barato na lang kaayo. Hingo na lang nila basta 60% off, siguro 60% off or 70% off. Barato na lang kaayo, ilahan na lang i-sale kay ano last pair na ni siya, but still very nice. Last pair, so ano siya. So, mauni siya ang detailed sa shoes. Kana siya kung klaro kayo. Nice. Last pair. Gaan kayo siya, promise. Hastang daan ako. Kilumot siguro ni Hasan. Kumot. Para, ano raw gani. Wala gini ka mo, no? Bilang ka ni kagramo. As in, gaan kayo. Tapos flex po siya, oh. Ga-flex, oh. Ano siya? Very, very nice. Very, very nice shoes. So, originally, it is 3,100 baht. 3,100 baht siya. Karong gina na lang. 1,200 baht. Diba? Super, super, super. More than 50% off. So, rival na siya, rival. This is Nike Renew Rival. Nike Renew Rival. So, makita niyo siya dito. Very nice. So, guys, so that's it. That's our second shoes today. Second shoes. Ako nang dalingon ko yan. Ako na siyang butang sa baba, ha? Okay. So, the next one is another Smiley shoes. Another SB. Kasi duwa siya. Wala akong i-unbox kaniya. So, dito na ako siya dugayon kay design rin siya. Pero, lahi-lahi lang kung sizes. Kay, daghan nag-order ani. Daghan nag-order ani. So, siya. Temperature kayo siya dito. Promise na pinakamarami. Hindi siya akong palitan. So, dito na ako ipakita ng maino kaya nakita na ako siya ganyan. So, ito na siya. Ito na ibaba, ha? Ito siya. So, ang last na gawin niya sulod sa ano, wala na dahil siya. Wala na. Is this one, the Nike one. This is for men. Orange, grabe ka orange. Yeah. Ayan siya. So, when you open that, tadan, kita niyo rin siya mga shoes. Oh, very good. Very good. This is Renew Rival 2. Same siya itong pang girl na woman. Kani siya pang lalaki ni siya. So, Renew Rival. Still the same, very flexible. Renew Rival also. Diba? Nice kayo. Pang men lang eh. Itong isa ganina is for women. Renew Rival. Ayan siya. Super nice. So inside, Nike. Inside is Nike. Gaan tong gamay ganina kay pila raman 2 size 6 raman siguro 2 size ano so kani siya tada basta gaan na promise gaan na ni shoes originally is 3,100 the same with this. These are the same shoes, guys. Renew Rival so pareho lang siya. So this is for her, this is for him. His and hers, or his and hers. Okay, so this is, guys, Renew Rival na shoes. Nice kayo siya sa likod na naman. The same lang siya, ang color lang ang naglahi. And the same size also. So look. Very nice. So that's it. This is our shoes, and let's go to the other one. Ako na ito ano. Yan. So, yes. So we are done with the shoes. Let's go to this one here. So this one here, these are shirts, t-shirts that I'm gonna show you guys. The first shirt is this one. This is for woman, for a lady. This is size M siya, diba? Size M for woman, gamay, super gamay. Next shirt I'm going to show you is this white shirt. Very, very nice too. This is size M. But this is size M for kids. Size M for kids. Pero, kaigo siguro sa mga niwang nagagmay ba. Pero size M. Size M2. Ang anay sa ni guys, kay ano siya, mas nubo siya sa ubos. Tapos sa likod is taas. Diba? Tapos, yan. Very chill lang. Chill lang kayo ang yung design. The next one here is another white shirt. Girls, crush it. Diba? Girls, crush it. Girls, if you're girl power, crush it. This is size L. Size L siya. So I guess this one can fit me. Okay, size L. And t-shirts. And then one more. This is very, very cute. Ayan. So cute. And naa siya ano sa likod. Full check sa likod. Tapos dito sa ano front is this one. Shoes. It says, "Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" Ay, diba? This is Nike as well. So now, next is this black shirt. This one here that has a very big check. And at the back, like this. It's a T. The Nike T. Nike T. Nike T. And this, I have two more shirts. So this one here. And this design as well. Cloudy, it's just color white. So nice no pag nasuot ka white pa. Okay, limpyo tanawon, diba? And this one also is another cute one for kids. But if you are very, very cute, you can wear this too. So very cute. And we have another one. Another plastic bag that we're gonna open and see what's inside of this. Another plastic bag and another bag inside the plastic bag. Inside of anyway. Ganit lang. Inside of anyway. So this is for boys. This shirt is for boys. Yan. So mas lahi na yung t-shirt sa boys ka mas taas siya. Yan. From boys siya pero size M. Gamay siya. Boys na. So mata ni siya. Mata na mga boys. Mata. Di siya meron. Diba? So many for boys as well. I see you for boys many. Care. Yes, this is for boys also. Another shirt for boys. And my game is sick. So another one here is another shirt for boys as well. Here. And this is size M. Oh, size L. Size L na gali siya sa boys. Anyways, this is for men. Size M for men. So, another Nike shirt. Nice. Agay siya tala. Nice. This is for men. And we have this one is for women. For girls. So, for women, pang babae na siya. Pang babae, pang dagko na siya. This is size L. And another one here is this shirt. And this is size L also. This is for, let's see. This is for her. Let me see if this is for her. All this fabric is made in India. These guys are made in India. So guys. And we have another one too. These leggings, the pink leggings here for girls. Tight. These are size L. So So cute! Look at these leggings. Yes, these are tights. And these are originally 1,100. But this one's 50% off. So guys, diba? Diba? Nice kaayo. Yan. Mga siya Nike diri sa box. I bought two of that. Yes, I bought two of that. The same. Because we're gonna sell this. I'm selling all this stuff na ako lang ginabaligya ang banani. All the shoes have owners na siya buyers. But this t-shirts, wala pa siya. So, guys, kung gusto niyo palit ako t-shirt, barato na lang kayo. Diba? Okay, so guys, salamat kayo sa inyong pagtanong sa akong video. Kung pa kayo ay nasa good mood today. So, kung wala pa ka subscribe na, click that notification bell also, diba? Para next time, kita ninyo, upload ko. Write your comments also below. What do you want me to do in this channel? Comment kung sa inyo ang mga thoughts about sa itong mga pakita karon. Okay, so salamat kayo guys. Bye-bye.